Hey guys, how you doing? We're gonna make a little ham, we're gonna make a little glaze, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with the leftovers. Today I'm using the PowerXL dual air fryer, which is cool. Let's get started with the glaze. I put in some syrup. We're gonna put in some brown sugar. Then we're gonna put some garlic powder and some onion powder in there. Hot sauce, Dijon mustard. Look how pretty that is. Look how cool this looks inside the dual. Now I glazed it and then I cooked it for about 10 minutes. I just made some really easy braised vegetables to go with this because look how pretty that is. Ham is so powerful. We want to glaze it up really, really well. So what are we gonna go and do next? Pizza dough, and you just get it in the can and you roll it out. Put the honey mustard down first. I just kind of cooked the ham, I chopped it up, and then what we're gonna do is we are going to put some Swiss. Roll it up like this. There's no wrong way to do this, you guys. They make a mayonnaise and a mustard combination. That's really all this is. Right in the dual basket like that. This is what it looks like when it comes out. Crispy and crunchy and cheesy. Look at this. You take that ham and you pop it right in here in one of these little doughs and then air fry it. A little cloud of perfection is really what it is.